Hey drone nerds, it's Matt. Drone technology has completely changed how farmers and other agricultural pros do their work. Old-fashioned methods and lots of manual labor are now a thing of the past. Farmers now use specific use case drones to gather important data that helps them make better decisions. Missions like mapping fields and spraying crops is more efficient and accurate than ever. That translates to safer work conditions and lower costs for farmers all over the world. One big part of running a farm well is knowing exactly what's going on in your fields. You need to know where your different types of crops are, how healthy they are, how much water they're getting, and if there's any damage to them. That's where drones like the DJI Mavic 3 Multispectral come in handy. It's purpose-built for getting detailed information about land and crops so you can ensure optimum growth and a successful harvest. RTK, or real-time kinematic positioning, has revolutionized positioning accuracy, all the way down to 3 centimeters, eliminating the need for ground control points. Once your land is all mapped out, you can use cutting-edge computer programs like DJI Smart Farm to plan out your workflow and make it more efficient for you. Tools like DJI Terra help you create 3D models of your land, so you can plan things like spraying and spreading fertilizer more efficiently. When it comes to spraying and spreading, drones like the DJI Agris T40 are a new industry standard. They can carry an impressive payload and use smart technology to spray things more effectively. Covering a wide area with their patented swath spray cuts down on waste, saving time and money. If an organization wants to implement drones into their workflow, it's important to get expert advice. DroneNerds experts can help you find the right solution for your industry. Whether you work in farming, construction, energy, or public safety, drones are more and more common use every day in the professional world. So give us a call and let us help set you up for success. If you have any questions, please comment them down below, and also be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. My name is Matt. Happy flying.